I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. Let's talk about some of the latest launches. Let's go. Let's see. I've actually found myself like adding things to my cart recently, so however that last like holiday collection video, a little lackluster. Let's see what we see here. New holiday 2024 by Makeup by Mario. Ethereal Eyes eyeshadow palette Moonlight retails for $68. 12 universal neutral shades and 4 finishes to create your most okay. I'm looking at the palette. It looks like a palette that would make sense for Mario, given his job and his clientele, the stuff that they have to go to. But like the everyday person, I'm just looking at it, and it would still make sense for the everyday person if, you know, you wear like very natural eyeshadow looks and stuff like that. But then I'm thinking of, you know, my skin tone, everyday person, and I'm looking at the palette. It does actually give, you know, holiday if you're purchasing it for that to add to your collection. You know, very New Year's, some Thanksgiving, Christmas. I'm gonna scroll on. Okay, new advent calendar from Fenty Beauty includes 12 different products, makeup and skincare. Coming soon. I like advent calendars. Like I said, I think I said it in the last video. I think they're cute. You know, like holiday stocking stuffers, cute little, you know, knick-knack gifts that you just throw on the side type thing. I wouldn't give someone an advent calendar for like Christmas or something, like that's just the gift, but I think they're like little cute side gifts, stuff like that. You know, if you're looking for gifts for the younger girlies getting into makeup, stuff like that, I feel like advent calendars are like a good introduction into makeup and stuff like that. And you know, Fenty makeup, skincare, I like both, so I'd get this, or I'd get this for someone else. But also, how much does it cost? Because advent calendars, a lot of them are not cheap. Like we're starting out somewhere around like over $50. Okay, Touchland has collaborated with Hello Kitty. Baby, I know Hello Kitty be tired every time. Like I know she hate to see her phone ringing, because it's just like, who wanna collab now? Who wanna? It's very profitable, so it makes sense, but child. But Touchland has collaborated with Hello Kitty. If y'all don't know, that's the hand sanitizer. It looks like well, it's called Berry Bliss, so it most likely smelled like berries. I mean, it's hand sanitizer. If you like Hello Kitty and you like hand sanitizer, I always mean to pick one of these up, just like kind of throw it in my bag when I'm at Sephora, but like I never remember to. But when I do use it, because like someone around me has it, it's a nice little hand sanitizer, you know. Again, throw it in the bag. If you know someone who likes Hello Kitty, could be a cute little gift. Okay, Fenty Beauty has a collab with Arcane, Riot Games, and Fenty Beauty limited edition makeup collection based on the Arcane universe. This collaboration is part of the celebration of the global success of League of Legends and the popularity of the series. Includes Diamond Bomb All Over, Gloss Bomb Quad, Gloss Bomb individually, and maybe more. I don't know what Arcane is, so I would only be interested in the Fenty Beauty aspect of it, and I'm looking at it. I own most Gloss Bombs. I'm just gonna keep scrolling. I'm just gonna, okay. Dolly Parton. I didn't know she had makeup, but more lip products dropped by the iconic Dolly Parton from Dolly Beauty. High gloss lips, $18. The whole bundle is $48.60, and then the high definition lip liner is $14. I mean, you know, reasonably priced. Packaging screams Dolly Parton. I didn't know that Dolly Parton had a makeup line until 5 seconds ago. The lip liner's cute. Okay, Hermes, available now. Face and eye illuminating powder. Does it come in more than one shade? Because if not, look at the shade, then look at me, and understand why I'm gonna keep scrolling. Okay, what do we have, what do we have, what do we have? New perfume from, oh, that's what Dre was talking about. We were at Sephora and she was like, oh, you know, Mary's coming out with perfume. I was like, married. But new perfume inspired, I feel a sneeze coming. Okay. I know it's coming. Woo! Bless me. Inspired by old world techniques and vintage notes, this concentrated extract melts into the skin for a pure scent that endures all day. Developed in Paris, it balances elements of old and new, as well as softness and depth. The bottle inspired by modernist jewelry. Okay, $92. Fragrance family, warm and spicy. Okay, wait, you got me. Top notes, bergamot pear. They might have me. Heart, jasmine rose, rosemary. Bottom, vanilla. I'm gonna smell it. Is it available now? Okay, available October 22nd. I'm gonna go into Sephora and at least smell it. They got me. Very cute packaging, but the notes. Once I start seeing like jasmine, vanilla, what else? Bergamot. You got. Okay. Holiday 2024, Patrick Ta collaborated with Barbie on the major volume Plumping Gloss Duos. A hydrating, high shine, visibly plumping gloss duo in limited edition sheer shades that give the appearance of fuller, powdier, and more voluminous lips. Retails for $39. I don't remember if I've heard anything about the plumping gloss from Patrick Ta. But y'all know I like lip plumpers. The shades are very cute. A little bit more pink than I would usually do. But this might actually make me look into the Patrick Ta pumping glosses because that's cute. It's just the shades. I might not try these shades, but this made me kind of want to see what the other shades look like. Revealed, ColourPop would not be this type of video without mentioning ColourPop has collaborated with Bratz, finally. Includes the Girls Night Out eyeshadow palette, retails for $26. BFF liquid liner retails for $10. So Juicy plumping gloss in Girls Rule for $9. It's the typical ColourPop collection launch. Y'all know. I was a Bratz girl. I was a Bratz and Barbie girl, but I was more of a Bratz girl growing up. So like the little girl inside of me is screaming, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, the little jewels. It's so cute. Well, face crystals. I say this every time I talk about I say this every time I talk about a ColourPop collection. If you purchase it, you're purchasing it because you just like who they're collaborating with. At the moment, I like the Bratz. So if y'all see me end up with something from this, please mind your business. Thank you. New foundation, the Everlast foundation from Dolce & Gabbana. Full coverage, flawless finish with 24-hour long wear and no transfer, waterproof with SPF 20. Designed with a skin-loving touch, it provides a blurring and smoothing effect with all-day shine and control. Matte, seamless result in a beautiful glass bottle with a gold cap sealed by the iconic Dolce & Gabbana Sacred Heart. Retails for $59, comes in 40 shades. At this point, y'all know when it comes to foundation, I just try it out if you guys want me to try it out. I literally be trying the most random foundations just because y'all want it. So just let me know if you would like a video on this foundation and I'll do it for you. Available now. I saw this in Sephora the other day. Lips and Glow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick retails for $24. Glow Seeker Champagne Gold Powder Highlighter retails for $38. Y'all know me and highlighter. Yeah. I've seen the liquid lipsticks. The shades are cute. I heard people like the formula. I would try one, but it's not something that like I felt I had to rush out and go get, if that makes sense. So would I try it someday? Sure, but you know, am I gonna add to cart anytime soon? Probably not. Available now, new fragrances from Bottega Veneta launched their very first fragrance collection. The collection includes 5 fragrances, utilizes 100% natural origin essences, and were developed in collaboration with Caring Beauty's perfumers. The rippling bottle design is meant to provide a smooth, sensual feel to emphasize the tactical experience, as much as the smell itself also serves as a nod to the lagoon environment of Venice, the brand's origin city. Each bottle also contains distinct air bubbles to recreate the mouth-blown aesthetic, just like the glass-blowing technique. Each bottle sits on the... Okay. Tell me about the damn perfume. I don't give a damn about the bottle. I'm slut. I get it, like luxury brand, so you're trying to sell the whole experience. Then tell me about the... Okay, so 100 milliliters retails for $450. $320 is the refill, so it's a refillable bottle, okay. One of the scents, top note, winter lemon oil. Another scent, top note, angelica root oil. Top note of another scent, juniper berry oil. Another note, Another fragrance, pepper extract, mandarin oil, nutmeg oil. Another one of the scents, artichoke, simtrap, bergamot oil, carrot seed oil. Maybe, was it Alchemy? The one that has the pink pepper. Sandalwood. I do like sandalwood in fragrances. Maybe that one. And then what was the other one? Aquasail. That has the juniper berry oil, sea salt accord. Yeah, that might be the only one out of this that I'm intrigued in. But also $4.50. I think my most expensive fragrance is, it's probably a Killing. No, it might be no, it's not. What is the name of that brand? I don't remember the brand. It's the Possessoir fragrance. Is that the name of the fragrance? What is the name of that brand? I don't feel like going to look for it, but I think that's the most expensive fragrance that I have, and it's something like $2.95 or something like that. So given the collection of fragrances that I have, you gotta be real special for me to spend over $300 on you for a fragrance. But also Hermes would be the brand that would get me to spend $400 on their fragrance. We'll see. I would at least smell it to see what it smells like. New glitter eyeshadows and balms from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Finest Fleck glitter eyeshadow retails for $6. And then O Face Shimmer Balm retails for $10. No. Look at it. But I'm also not much of the like shimmer girly, so this collection is not for me, and that's okay. New, joining the Vanilla Skin family, Vanilla Skin deodorant from Fleur, a non-irritating natural deodorant clinically proven to protect against odor for 48 hours in an iconic and irresistible scent: quinoa, sugar crystals, cashmere wood, vanilla. Here's the thing about natural deodorant. I get it. I get using natural deodorant, but you know, y'all know what I'm trying to say without me having to say it, and don't make me say it. I'm just going to scroll on here. Okay, Holiday 2024, holiday collection from Chanel. Diamond Dust de Chanel, Peachy Pink Illuminating Powder, Enchanted Night Eyeshadow Palettes. Nah. These holiday collections, please. New collab and collection for holiday 2024. Emily in Paris collabed with Bath & Body Works. A French-inspired scent adventure features more than 50 products designed to captivate fan senses and transport them directly into the vibrant and stylish world of Emily Cooper. The prices range from $195 to $36.95. This is just, baby, if you like Bath & Body Works and you like Emily in Paris, you're gonna check things out. I like me a little Bath & Body Works, the little room sprays. I haven't gotten a candle in a minute. I need them to bring back those body mists, the luxury ones that they took out because y'all didn't know how to act. I heard they were bringing them back for the winter. I need them to bring those back. That's what I want to see. Okay, I don't purchase Natasha Denona, but I'm letting you know. Their holiday 2024 collection minis, limited edition. Baby, I Need a Nude eyeshadow kit retails for $27, and their mini rose cheek duo ornament retails for $20. So if you like it, there it is for you. Ooh, let me tell y'all, Glossier has two new fragrances. Both retail for $78. Y'all see the beige and the purple one? Child, I already smelled them in Sephora. The beige whitey one, Sephora cart. Put that in my Sephora cart. Babe, when I say that smells amazing, it's this type of vanilla. Mind you, I'll explain it more when I actually own it. So I can like really take in all the notes. I'm going off of what I remember being in the store and just like the quick smell test. But I knew absolutely positively I need her. The purple one, I can't tell y'all if it smells good or not because like it was very faint, like very, where is like I don't smell anything type thing. So I might give that another smell test to see if I like that one, because I like the other one so much that I'm like, I want to like you, because that's the one that's going to be, the purple one is a little bit more fruitier, juicier, citrusy type scent. So I want to like you, but I can't smell anything when I smell it. So, but that one, that beige white, that you're coming home with me. Okay, and let's do one last holiday collection, and it is from Fenty Beauty. Plush Puddin Intensive Recovery Lip Mask for $23. Fruit Quenchers Hydrating Strengthening Lip Oil Trio for $52. Shimmer and Spice Warm Cinnamon Shimmering Lip and Body Duo, $36. Lil Butta Dropz Mini Shimmering Whipped Oil Body Cream Trio for $59. Butta Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream with topical oils with butter, $46. And then Fenty Street Fam 5-piece set, $60. I think I told y'all in like the last video about their Gloss Bomb holiday sets that they pretty much launch like every year. I usually get them just because they usually come out with like one new shade, and I just have to have every Gloss Bomb shade. But looking at this picture, I actually still have never tried the lip oils from Fenty. I heard it's really good, so you might want to look into those. I feel like what everyone will gravitate towards is the Butta body butters. I smelled them. I smelled the new scents. Y'all know, if you have seen my video on the like first 3 that they've dropped, the pink one, the white one, and then the original purple one. First of all, the white one that smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, it's way too glittery for me. It smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so if you want to smell like cinnamon Toast Crunch, you'll have no issue with the scent, right? I don't know if I want to smell. I go back and forth on if I like that scent or not. But it's the glitter that gets it for me. I just can't do it with that one. The pink one that they have, that's more of a like vanilla-y type scent. It's a lighter scent, but it's just like girly and sweet. And that's the one I believe they launched for like Valentine's Day. I love that one. That is the one they will not bring back in like a large size type thing, right? So I smelled these. It was the caramel one, which is the orange one, that really had me like, ooh, am I gonna like it? I didn't. It smells like a caramel apple. It smells like it smells caramel, insert sweet thing here, right? And I feel like a lot of people will like that. That, like the cinnamon toast, it was just too much for me. I didn't actually put it on to see what the shimmer is like in these, so I can't tell you about that. I can only tell you about the smell. And then the white one is supposed to be like a vanilla type thing, and it was just, I didn't like it. Drea liked it, so it's very much so you just need to smell it for yourself and see if you like it. But I did not like them, sorry. But I feel like a lot of people will like it, so let you know that is available for the holidays. All right, y'all, and that is it for another Let's Talk New makeup launches / I guess more holiday collections. And this holiday, I feel like it's very up in the air. Like the collections are either yes, you're hitting, or you could have kept this. But I do see a lot that I will be adding to my cart. And of course, the Sephora sale is coming, so now is the time to stock up, to shop for other people for the holidays. Use that coupon code, and people be like, y'all be doing all this over the Sephora sale and it's only like 20%, even though like the Sephora collection, which I say this all the time, people really sleep on Sephora collection. Sephora's makeup, Sephora's skincare, do they have hair care? I don't think they have hair care, but their hair care and skincare is actually very good if you try it out. And that's usually like 30% off, but baby, it adds up, okay? Because you ain't going into Sephora and getting much without spending at least like $100. So that 20% off, it adds up. So if you're going to like bulk buy or anything like that, that would be the time to do that. So that is it for this video. Let me know if there's anything else that I did not cover in this video that you want a video about, or you just want to talk about it. Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.